Coronavirus started from eating an animal, and now it's being spread all over the planet by the world's filthiest animal, human beings. How filthy? Let me count the ways. Let's start off romantically, sexually. When people are really digging somebody else, things get a little hot, they want to start shoving their tongue into somebody else's mouth. Drink spit. Suck on saliva. Then if it gets hotter and heavier, people start licking and sucking cocks and balls, pussies and asses, feet, armpits. Some guys have a fetish to be shit on, peed on, farted on, puked on. Other guys have a rape fetish, the filthiest, most disgusting fetish of all. Power. Unless, of course, you want to throw the pedophilia fetish into the mix. All over the world, adults want to fuck kids. Or maybe that necrophilia fetish. People fucking dead bodies. We certainly are the filthiest and most disgusting of all animals. How about socially? I see people at the gym. I work out 6 days a week. I see people laying on the floor and stretching out with no towel underneath them. Women with their hair long, flowing hair all over the floor. Then when everyone's done working out for an hour or two, they walk right out the door. Never hit the locker room to wash their hands. They've been touching gym equipment that dozens of other people have touched that day. Hundreds, maybe thousands that week, that month. Those filthy clothes, they've been sitting on all that gym equipment. And then they get home and they want to sit on their couch or lay down on their bed. In gym clothes. Or outdoor clothes for that matter. How clean do you think your car seats are? From all the doctor's offices and restaurants you've been visiting that week or that month. You bring that stuff into your house. Most people don't even take their filthy shoes off at the front door. And how about the fact that humans are booger eaters or booger rollers? People pick their nose, take that booger between their thumb and their forefinger, and roll it into a perfect ball. It's an obsession. Some people eat the booger. Others throw it on the floor. Even if they're in their own home, we are filthy, nasty, disgusting creatures. And I'm sick of the fact that we're not allowed to bring our companion animals into restaurants. No dogs allowed. Definitely no cats or other creatures. Are you telling me all these filthy people walk in there? Hands unwashed, coughing and sneezing. Everyone who works there has been coughing and sneezing, touching money, handling those menus that are filthy. The salt and pepper shakers. Eating dead animals. Blood and flesh, veins, muscles and tendons, cow secretions. Things that come out of a hen's ass covered in shit sprinkles. But we're not allowed to have dogs in those establishments. Thank goodness the dogs aren't allowed. Are you fucking kidding me? Wake up, everybody. Stop claiming animals are filthy. Humans are the filthiest of all. Wash your hands. Live a vegan lifestyle. Stop supporting slavery, rape, baby stealing, and murder. Do something positive, meaningful, and long-lasting and beneficial to everyone for a change.